Case study number 3. ALMS, Identifying High Conviction Insider Buying in Biotechnology. In this case study, we'll demonstrate how EmporianX helps investors move from broad market screening to deep company-level analysis using insider trading data. We begin with the insider trading dashboard. For this analysis, we selected a transaction window between November 28, 2025 and December 5, 2025. We then narrowed the universe to the healthcare sector and, more specifically, the biotechnology industry. With a single click on Plot 2D, EmporianX aggregates and ranks insider transactions by net purchase amount across all biotechnology companies during the selected period. This process immediately transforms thousands of SEC Form 4 filings into a concise list of the most significant insider trading opportunities. The resulting chart ranks biotechnology companies by net insider purchase activity. Notice that ALMS stands out prominently at the top of the ranking, with nearly $4 million of net insider purchases during the one-week period. The gap between ALMS and the second-ranked company is substantial, indicating unusually strong insider accumulation. This type of ranking allows investors to quickly identify where corporate insiders are committing meaningful capital, often signaling confidence in future business prospects. Rather than manually reviewing dozens of filings, investors can immediately focus their research on the companies receiving the strongest insider support. Next, let's drill deeper into ALMS. By hovering over the ALMS bar, EmporianX displays a detailed transaction summary directly within the chart. Here, we can see the exact insider purchases responsible for the company's top ranking. 2 purchases stand out. Director Srinivas Akkaraju acquired more than 448,000 shares through 2 separate transactions, representing approximately $3.87 million of insider buying. Importantly, these purchases were made in the open market, rather than through stock grants or compensation awards. The tooltip provides immediate visibility into transaction dates, insider identities, ownership levels, share quantities, purchase prices, and total dollar amounts. This enables investors to understand not only how much buying occurred, but also who was buying and how significant those purchases were. Finally, let's perform a comprehensive company-level review. By entering the ticker symbol ALMS into the search bar, EmporianX presents a consolidated research view. At the top, investors receive valuation context, including the company's current price-to-book ratio, industry average valuation, and the highest and lowest valuation levels within the biotechnology peer group. Below that, every insider transaction is displayed chronologically, allowing investors to examine purchasing patterns over time. What immediately stands out is that insider buying was not limited to a single transaction. Multiple purchases were executed by Director Srinivas Akkaraju, alongside purchases from Foresight Capital Management and other major shareholders. This repeated accumulation pattern often carries greater significance than an isolated insider purchase because it suggests sustained conviction rather than opportunistic trading. In addition, investors can expand the integrated balance sheet and income statement sections to review the company's financial condition without leaving the platform. This combination of insider activity, valuation metrics, ownership trends, and financial statements creates a complete due diligence workflow within a single interface. ALMS demonstrates how EmporianX helps investors systematically discover high-conviction insider buying opportunities, validate those signals through detailed transaction analysis, and immediately transition into fundamental research. Instead of searching through thousands of SEC filings, investors can identify the most meaningful insider activity in seconds and focus their attention where corporate insiders are placing their own capital. That's the power of EmporianX, turning insider transactions into actionable investment intelligence.